How to change excerpt length of BuddyPress activity post. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to change excerpt length of BuddyPress activity post. With a snippet, you can adjust the character's length of activity post before Read More button. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp.custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. And then, paste the copied snippet to the file, and then change the number if character length you want to show. Let's see the result. You can see the character's length has changed. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.